Smart devices like cameras, thermostats, and speakers bring convenience, but they also bring risks. A new botnet is targeting smart devices, turning them into tools for hackers to attack others. In this video, we'll explain what this botnet is, how it works, and how you can protect your devices. What are smart devices and how are they targeted? Smart devices, also called IoT devices, are gadgets connected to the internet for added functionality. Examples include smart cameras, doorbells, refrigerators, and even baby monitors in modern homes. These devices make life easier but often come with weak security settings out of the box. Hackers exploit weak passwords or outdated software to take control of these devices. Once they gain access, they can turn your devices into part of a botnet for harmful activities. What is a botnet and why is it dangerous? A botnet is a network of devices that hackers control remotely without the owner's knowledge. These devices are used for attacks like shutting down websites or stealing sensitive information. Even if your smart device seems fine, it might secretly be part of a botnet doing harmful work. The latest botnet targets IoT devices worldwide, creating a global network for cyber criminals. These attacks can compromise your privacy, harm businesses, and disrupt essential online services. Why should you care about this new botnet? 1. Privacy risks at home. Hackers could access personal information, including photos or conversations, from smart devices. If they control cameras or microphones, they can spy on your household activities without you knowing. 2. Threats to your network. Compromised devices can be used to attack other systems, making your home part of criminal activity. Hackers could use your devices to launch attacks against businesses or government systems. 3. Financial and legal consequences. If your device is part of a botnet, you could face data breaches or even liability issues. Hackers could also use compromised devices to steal financial information or commit fraud. How to protect your smart devices. Step 1. Identify your smart devices. List all the devices connected to your Wi-Fi, including cameras, speakers, and appliances. Knowing what's connected helps you secure each device and identify potential weak points. Step 2. Change default passwords. Place default passwords with strong, unique passwords for every smart device in your home. A password manager can help you create and securely store complex passwords for all devices. Step 3. Keep devices updated. Manufacturers release updates to fix security flaws, so make sure your devices are running the latest software. Enable automatic updates wherever possible to ensure vulnerabilities are patched promptly. Step 4. Separate your devices from your main network. Create a dedicated Wi-Fi network for smart devices to isolate them from your primary systems. If a smart device is hacked, it won't have access to your personal computers or sensitive files. Step 5. Monitor your network for unusual activity. Use network monitoring tools to check for unknown devices or unusual traffic patterns. If you detect anything suspicious, disconnect the affected device and reset its security settings. Step 6. Use a VPN to protect your network. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers to intercept your data. At Cyber A.I Pros, we recommend NordVPN to secure your network and protect your privacy. How Cyber A.I Pros can help. Securing your smart devices doesn't have to be overwhelming. We're here to help you every step of the way. At Cyber A.I Pros, we offer advanced cybersecurity solutions for homes and businesses of all sizes. We provide customized strategies to secure your devices, monitor your network, and prevent cyber attacks. Visit us at cyberaipros.com to learn how we can keep your devices and data safe. Conclusion. Stay safe from emerging cyber threats. The convenience of smart devices comes with responsibility. Protecting them is crucial to staying secure. By following these steps, you can keep your devices safe and prevent them from being part of a botnet. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it to help others secure their devices. Stay informed, stay secure, and let's work together to make your home smarter and safer today.